Is it more difficult to design a building or to build it? My answer to that is why I think software engineering is more disruptable by AI than cloud engineering is. Software engineers, don't get mad, hear me out. Software engineering is like designing the blueprints for a house. You're going to be given a lot area, a layout, and you're going to be given a budget with which you're going to have to work. You figure out the electrics, the materials, the window sizing, the foundation, what you're going to make the floors of, what you're going to make the walls of, etc., etc. And sure, you can run some simulations or write some tests to figure out how your building is going to perform in the real world. How much load your columns can bear, how much wind your building faces can endure. And cloud engineering is like taking that blueprint and building that building in the real world on an estate, aka taking your app and then deploying it in virtual real estate. With cloud engineering, your game kind of begins after you've deployed the app. If your app is deployed in the US and a celebrity in China joins the app, is your app ready to scale from 1,000 requests a day to 1,000,000 requests in the middle of the night in the US? And once you've built a building, you have to make sure that your title is in order, your building permits, lease documents, tax documents, etc. are also in order. A cloud engineer will have to make sure that the certificates that ensure security in transit are maintained and rotated properly. And all the secrets that let your application talk to third-party applications are maintained and rotated correctly. And even though software engineering and cloud engineering have a fair amount of overlap, I do think that the level of orchestration you need in cloud engineering is higher than in software engineering, and that makes it a little less disruptable by AI.